Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to link PayPal to GCash, right? So it's really easy. As you can see here, it is mentioned by GCash here. So you need to have a GCash account and it should be fully verified. If you don't have any fully verified, then you can just click on fully verified and you will be there, right? Make sure your PayPal account is Philippine based and verified, right? This step should be completed before cashing in via PayPal to GCash. To make any changes to your account, like updating your name, verifying your account, or converting currency, please use the PayPal website, right? So it's really easy, and you can do the same thing if you're using Android. Right, so open the GCash homepage, tap on Cash In, tap Global Partners and Remittance, which will be PayPal. Enter your PayPal login credentials and tap Next. You're all set. So these are very really steps which you have to just copy, or basically you have to follow only four steps here, and you may be prompted to relink your PayPal account for security purposes. And if that happens, then you have to just, if it is great, if you have the PayPal application in your phone, and it should be logged in into this. I hope you found this video useful. Subscribe.